Namaste and hello friends. In this edition, we are introducing a book written by Sri Anirudh Chowji.
The book, Wild by Nature, gives a sneak peek into the flora and fauna of India. It has 100 various topics with a brief description and pictures. The mesmerizing Mahuwa, Gond and other tribes of central India treat the Mahuwa trees with great reverence. The Mahuwa flowers have an intoxicating sweet aroma. The bark has medicinal properties, edible oil is extracted from the seeds, and the fleshy flowers are dried and used as sugar supplements. The flowers are also fermented to make a local wine. The Gonds actually worship the Mahuwa trees and protect them. Osprey, the ferocious fish eater. The osprey is an elegant and handsome fish-eating bird of prey. They have an amazing eyesight which enables them to sight an underwater fish and dive in talons first to capture the prey. The spectacular sight is of an osprey completely wet taking off from the water with a fish held in its talons. Leave us to imagine the power of its wings. The termites, the architects of superstructures in the forest. The simple from outside mud mounds are the works of nature's extraordinary architects, the termites. Termites are the only few organisms capable of digesting cellulose, a plant cell wall component. Inside each mound is a scientifically advanced habitat. Termites construct extensive systems of tunnels, shafts, and chambers that maintain ambient temperature, ventilate gases, and drain excess water from the underground colony. Some colonies also maintain their own underground fungi. Friends, these are the extracts from the book Wild by Nature, authored by Mr. Anirudh Chowji.
So friends, grab a copy now of the book Wild by Nature by Sri Anirudh Chowji. Publisher, Run Mangalik Foundation. Thank you for now and goodbye.